It is Kayla with the Wawota Public Library, and today I have a bunch of kids in today helping me with the Makey Makey kit. A lot of people don't really know what the Makey Makey kit is and don't understand it. We had it in a little while ago and we couldn't quite figure it out, but this time, to get away from the heat of today, we figured it out. So I have my band, the Rock and Roll Readers. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
And we have made human pianos. So, show them, guys, how it works.
Brantley is me.
Okay, let's do it one at a time now. Chesney, you just show them. Put your hands up, guys. Okay, Xander, you want to show them? Put your hands up, guys. Good job, guys.